In the next tutorial, we're going to look at the Shadows button. Let's click it and see what happens. As we can see, shadows have been created by an imagined sun. We can change the shading by putting in a different month and date. It's currently on November the 8th, but let's change that to today's date, April the 19th. Let's also change a time, 8:15 in the morning. We can rotate this model and see how that's affected our model. Let's change the time to a little bit later in the afternoon. Why don't you pause the program here to experiment with these tools?